Good afternoon, boys and girls. We are going to be reading Shapes All Around by Gare Thompson, illustrated by Steve Muck. So let's go ahead and begin. This is a really big book. I am making a scrapbook of all the different shapes I see. There are circles, squares, rectangles, and triangles all around. Find the shapes I drew on this picture. So let's see, I see a triangle up here, a circle, and a rectangle. Circles. Let's look for more shapes. In the park, we can find circles. Here's a basketball that's a circle, a hula hoop that's a circle, and a bubble that's a circle. And the bubble wand, which is a circle as well. Look at these rings. There are many rings. You can go up, up, and up. Circles. Wheels are circles that go round and round. Wheels can take you where you want to go. And they look like they're going for a nice bike ride. See the circles in the parade. The umbrella, bright and colorful. How many umbrellas do you see? Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Bright, beautiful umbrellas. Squares. Look out the window. You're looking out of a square. All four sides on a square are the same length. And here's the boy playing his guitar looking out the window. He's looking through squares. And here's a little girl. She's waving out the window, saying hello through her window. Squares. You can play games on squares. Move around on these squares. How many squares do you see in each game? Look, here are squares in a square. Squares. Look at these squares. Some are big, some are small. Count them all. Wow, look at these. All of these squares. And look, these squares roll because they're dice. This is a quilt made of squares. All of the little squares make one big square. This big square can keep you warm. These squares make a pattern. Rectangles. Run down the field. The soccer field is a big rectangle. There are smaller rectangles on the field too. Do you see them? Here's a rectangle and here's a rectangle. And look, this net is a rectangle. Look at these buildings. They have many rectangles. The rectangles are different sizes and colors. Can you see where they are? Here's a rectangle, rectangle, rectangle. Rectangles are everywhere. Some rectangles are signs. Signs help us find our way. One way, exit, important signs to help us find where we need to go. Many books, blocks, and sheets of paper are rectangles. We use lots of rectangles every day. This rectangle rules, ha ha ha, because it's a ruler. Triangles. A triangle has 3 sides. You can make triangles for lunch. Cut up a square and make triangles. Then eat them all up. Many roofs are triangles. When the rain hits the roof, the water runs off and the house stays dry. And here's the big triangle right here. You see it on the house? Triangles. On a windy day, triangles can be fun. Kites soar in the sky are triangles. And here's the kite. The sails on a sailboat are triangles. Do you see them? Here they are. There's 1, 2. These signs are triangles. The signs tell the drivers to be careful. Shapes within shapes. If you look closely at something, you may see more than one shape. Do you see more than one shape in a shape? I see a rectangle with some squares. I see a diamond with some circles. It's kind of fun to figure out. Look at this picture in my scrapbook. What shapes do you see? Take a look at all the shapes in the picture. There's triangles and circles and squares and rectangles. Boys and girls, I hope you enjoyed this book on shapes, and hope to see you soon. Have a great day. Bye.